Look at that. Smells good. Smells good, man. Right from the tree. Jamaica, good life. See? When anybody asks you what Jamaica good life is, that right there is Jamaica good life. The smell. This is Randy Pottinger for Jamaica Good Life. Dear husband, you know, say if you boil a green lizard.
God, miss me must not know.
You know, go boil a green lizard, drop him in your pot, catch him live and drop him in your pot and boil him and strain him. And you drink it and boom, husband gone.
No go so, yeah, sir.
No go so?
No, sir. This is a thing not cure. When you're young and you find out so you have it, then you go on a tree and chop over your head. You grow it out. Until you're young. But all big somebody, you can't get better. I'm going to little picnic here now. We get better. All a baby have you know, sir. If you go on mandible and sip down little baby, they just hold up in the hand. They might just say, call it 2 months old. And they have it. And if you can't do big somebody so, and you better stop, you know. When they attack, you know, until you see your third calf. And you know how the pump. You know how you go.
You have your pump on you?
Yeah, man.
At all times?
At all times, you have it. And you know since them deal.
How much for them?
A 3,000 for one. The two cost 6,000. Right? These are different. The other one different from this. But the two of them are not the same. When you tell you feel your third calf now and you take this one, it's also tricky. And the other one now, cut off the flea off of your stomach. Anytime you use this one, you have to wash out your mouth.
Okay.
And I put this hat. You know, around 3 weeks back.
Yeah.
And he attacked me. And I tell you so, you know, sir. On Sunday night he attacked me, you know. He attacked me from this Saturday evening. And when we put on the light dust up. And he dip on me, you know. And I have to get up, put on my clothes and turn down the hill. And I walk and catch a good thing. I couldn't go further. And when we look, you see one van. I come. And the other van down I shop down yonder. One big stout guy. You see, my brother we have built a house out there, so I open the house out there, so Chris, one white van. And he say, come on, and he say, spin around and kill a man, I go man. I believe you know, sir.
Hello? Okay, let me call you right back. I feel me. Yeah, man, sweet.
And he carry me. Go on, mandible. When he go there and drop me, he say, you can't wait for me, you know. He said 3,000, you know, sir. At 3,000. And at the shop, man, me. When we come back, from now I come back till the Wednesday, from the Sunday till the Wednesday. From me, I have to dip on the pump. Tablet, injection. The man then give me I want something near CG. In the pump. And that tappy. But when the doctor send me on the pump, and give me the paper if I go to the nurse if he give me the injection. He read some pan the CG. And so when we get them, they know we must come back to him in the office. And when we go back to him in the office and he look and he said, but you don't get the CG. And he left the office, same time and go right back down to the girl, the nurse. I said, how you don't give that man the CG? You don't know what him I feel. And he look for her and give me and go out in the office. And he attacked me again last week. And when we run back over there, go up on the pump, 8 time. 8 time and I get some tablet, 10 tablet for take. That's last week, you know. 10 tablet. And I get 2 pump. And he write down for me get the pressure tablet. They never have none. I want to go. They never have none of them. And you go away. When you see me, I tell you, so me go to doctor. I'm going to pick a lucky. And when we go. And when I look funny, they have to carry money. She no money. You know why I have to for health card? And money for say active after they look funny, the paper. So it depends on the prescription, you know. So no money, you know. They say you have to come back, you know, sir. You have to come back. So everything change up.
So if you're a farmer with no kind of income and you start get challenges, you're 81.
Yeah, man.
You can't pay for your tablet or nothing for your pump. Your dog eats your supper?
You must, man. God. You want that my gully. When you see me Tuesday, they say, Daddy, what happened? I mean, I book up a doctor. And when you see they give me back the paper, I say, I give me money. She asked me say if me have pump. I say no, and my daughter say I have to buy 2 pump give me. Me no get them there yet. But this prescription they when me forget. I forget if I know so till next week. Like how you see me have to in the bush you know. Over there so where they want man dig so you have me over there for me. You know, don't dig. I mean, I yam them if you sell, but the price gone down to nothing. I mean, I dig for them the price, nobody now dig the yam for them the money and dig. Who so some matter in top by yam now. And they say in a sell. At a shipping man them, you know.
Yeah.
They say in a sell. So they not buy no yam again, you know.
So when you see the drunk of them a move, so is it something dead or let me just say chicken very hot then here. When drunk do so, are something them smell like dead?
Rain.
Are they rain?
Rain.
You might tell us a rain a come. But that look like one hawk, one of them a hawk. Or one of them a junko.
Junko man. Until you see them, you don't see none yet. Sometimes you look. All 30 of them in a row.
Wow. This is Norway.
There's a house up Doncaster, you know.
Yeah.
3 tours like for Jonathan, you know. You know, go over there? Oh my God. You go through the first railing and you go up where they call up the Nata. There's some house up there tall, still like a film, man, the 3 tours. Still like a foreign. And you have a club up there. Was around 3 bars that up on the house too.
You look tired.
Not really tired, you know, so I say go after work. I know fresh up your body.
You come back.
Look back again.
So now, what you accomplished today?
Eh?
Yeah.
Walk. Jam your antique, weed, grass, everything.
You plant Lucy already?
Eh?
We not done yet neither. We get 45 hill dig already. And me plant them there. The other one I grew up there now too.
I'm moving to property.
And I come from bush now. What is? Catch you.
You catch it.
You catch the world catch you at the your foot at you. What time you going?
Me? Left this morning, man.
This man about 4 or 5 o'clock.
No, man, I left about around the 9 o'clock now. No, go early.
9 o'clock. What they're gonna use, these trees are not bearing. This wood they're gonna use to make coal. Good morning. Yes. No private discussion.
What?
No private talking now.
No, we don't no private talking. We just sit down and wait for
The family.
yeah. We want for Friday, but we know we did want for
Friday eggs so
Friday egg so quick and the cold.
And you can do call it Frankfurter.
Yes, Frankfurt.
Is this pre-cooked from the company? I think so, right?
I think so. Pre-cook.
Yeah.
That means it half cook.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So now after so yam prices, the last time I came the yam prices were higher.
Hi man, hi.
High, and you were very happy.
Yeah.
So did you not dig a lot of yams?
No, because I never have a lot that time.
Oh man.
That's what me say.
So let me ask you another question. Do you find the yam price hits a certain month high?
Yeah.
So can you then plan to catch that month, or is the weather that's not going to make it happen? Or is the water is the problem?
No, not really the water. Sometimes it is hard to catch the. You see the yam myself for good money?
Mm-hmm.
Not really easy to catch. Because right now, a spring, 95% of the people are plant now. 95. And they plant from now right until August, September. After September, when autumn start, planting cut down. Because things don't really grow so fast again. But you will find 1 or 2 somebody now planting November, December yam.
Mm-hmm.
Because those yam is hard to get by.
Mm-hmm.
So once you can plant December yam, November, December, January, February, I mean at the winter. But sometimes I just gamble because they don't really grow. Because the coldness at the time, sleep behind them.
Okay.
But you take a chance and plant it still.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
And those yam would catch the price.
Right. Those yam catch the price. Like yam would just go up on the stick now, yam would just a fed out.
So it's just a supply and demand thing. Everything is just a supply and demand.
Yes. Supply and demand. Everything is supply and demand. Because when time comes, it's like when it comes July now, August, since morning, you don't see a kid when I run up on them and look here.
So you bought some eggs today. How much did you pay for those eggs?
This one,
Yes.
$400 for this.
So that's about $3.50
Yes, not US.
US. How many? It's a dozen?
It's a dozen.
And are those the brown chicken, yard chicken,
No man, the man no yard for them.
the white fowl?
No man, no white for the brown one them.
The layer.
White for no lay egg, you know.
And just for eat.
Just eat. I lay egg. The layer is special.
So if you had a lot of layers, egg is a good investment?
What?
So why can't we get you a lot of layers?
Yeah, someone.
Do you
But they are expensive, you know.
layer expensive? How much is for one layer chicken?
Yeah.
Around.
If you buy the chicken,
Yes.
it take you something like 6 months before they start lay, or 8 months before they start lay.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
If you buy the one, wait, within 30 days or 20 days you start lay, and you have another set today, we start lay right away as you get it.
Yes.
The one we start lay same time, I think I like $500 or $700 for one, or $800.
500. So that's near $50.
Mm-hmm. Right. So one, $50
So
for
so
one.
no, that's a good investment.
Mm-hmm.
10 of those will run you a near 500 US.
Mm-hmm.
How do you keep them in your yard, or do you fence a place
No,
around
you
for
have to
them?
build a coop for them, man.
You have to build a coop and them laying on the coop, everything good.
Right.
No, so that is a better investment than pigs,
Watch it.
right?
Of course. Yeah, man. Better, long time, better investment. Hmm? Yeah, man. All right.
So Baba, then if that's a better investment than pigs,
Mm-hmm.
we can raise some money and make you
But
get.
from who?
Eh?
From who?
What do you mean?
Who
What
make
do you
you raise
mean
the
from?
money from?
What do you mean from who?
No, but me I ask you from who? Money not just easy to come by, so people not going to take up money to you.
Baba, okay, all right.
Well, me make a little money from my farm, you see?
Yeah, yeah. Baba,
Hmm?
you're telling me that your fans, the people that love you, can call me and send $50 for one chicken? So if you have 10 fans over the world, what you're telling me that,
No, me not telling you, say they not going to do it, you know.
okay,
No, me not say it not going to happen.
okay.
I don't say it not going to happen.
Good. So
I
what
don't
I'm
never
going to
say
tell the fans to do, the one that will really love you,
that. Yes.
send Baba a layer chicken.
Right.
One.
Even one.
So if me get 20 people
Mm-hmm.
to buy a chicken, one chicken for Baba,
Yes. Just
one layer chicken,
One layer
20
chicken.
people.
20 people.
That is a good mission.
What?
We get 20 chicken
If you be like up on the hill right there, so.
up there, sir. Yeah.
Up on the mango tree there right there, so. On a piece of old place there, so.
Yeah.
If you be like, cause you know, if you concrete the bottom for layers, you know. Cause dirt have to eat if you scratch.
Okay.
So all you want to do is fence it up good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's no mongoose or nothing. Can
I
go
really
in.
want to know what business is really working.
So that is the best business you can invest in right now, egg.
Wow.
Because eggs sell like crazy. You can just get up yourself this morning and take up your 50 dozen egg or your 30 dozen egg and go to sell and go sit down. And it sell.
Okay, Baba. So,
You got better, egg got better investment, even if you don't right in the community, you know. And you raise egg. You can just raise egg and sit down and easy.
and
Like we can get up.
they last for 3 months. How long them last?
Then that's a good time, man. Sparrow raise egg, you know.
But no, him always making money.
Ah.
He's always making money.
Sparrow get up a man time and he load up in car. And then go down to go sell and then go and quick and go shuttle and go sell and come back by within 2 hours.
So what's been hitting you is the initial investment.
Yes.
So now that you're a big star all over the world, isn't that a problem for your fans? Say, you know, I get a chicken for Baba.
Yeah, one chicken.
One chicken.
I mean, have to do just cut the post of bush.
Cut the post.
Yeah, just cut some round. You don't have to buy black or something for that. Cut some round post.
With a fence.
Yeah,
And put them up top.
and put them up top.
And feed them.
And zinc them and feed them. And with that, they feed. Look a bit expensive now, but once they start, they feed themselves. And you make a profit.
Wow. So we could ultimately have a 200 layer.
200 in the amount you have. Because you have...
Because you know you have about, you know that you have about 10, not just 10,000 fans, you have about 20,000 fans, you know.
You have I think in Jamaica when they call it the Egg Farmers Association. Now if me start raise egg, I may have to do just then the Egg Farmers Association. Because whatever we do, if me have 200 dozen egg here, so we just call them and then come pick it up and drop it off at the hotel.
Why didn't you tell me about this business,
Because
Baba?
them have Egg Farmers Association and them supply hotel, guest house, supermarket. When these places want egg, they call them, they don't call me. And then I say, okay, Mr. Bennett is in now. But then do them put you up online. So then go look online and see who have the most egg. So they say, okay, Mr. Bennett is in now, he can give you 100 dozen egg. Bam, they send a truck and come pick it up. You never collect money, then put the money at the bank.
Wow. Why didn't you tell me about this business
Now, we
idea?
can't tell you everything because we don't know what you want to do or we don't know where we want to go in.
I wanted to know the most profitable
This is
business.
a good business, even pay more than the hog.
Okay.
Because you just keep putting in money in at the hog and you know the price of the pork is cheap. Especially now. It's not that the pork cheap, you know, but the foreign pork are kill for your pork. And in a Kingston now, you have the big company, them like Separate and all of this, and Grace, and the whole of them are raised pig. And them raise better quality more than we because they have the doctors and the this fit do this and so first time I food pig on the market now they not run the market with food pig again. And
Sure.
then them and them meat are sell now.
So here we have Baba eggs and Baba yams.
Right. So we could have built a nice food come up by the hill then.
Yeah.
Can raise all 500 layer, employ people, so what you create is employment.
Yes.
Like all this young lady you know you have him pick up you go and wash egg. And back it.
Yes, sir.
Man if kids them go there evening time or morning time.
Feed them.
Feed them. I mean not feed them.
No. You
And
hire
my business,
somebody.
me are the businessman, me are the CEO.
Yes, you're the CEO of Baba eggs. And you feed them nice with aloe probably in them thing too.
Throw aloe vera in the water. Get good egg.
I like the business idea. It's a no-brainer. And it's a win. Chicken not gonna get sick.
Right.
You just need water.
Just water.
Lots of water.
And feed. And the tank of water up there already.
You don't.
But one thing with them now, when they get old, when they live for maybe a period of time, you have to change that they say.
And them can eat.
Yes, so they reach the stage of meat fall. You not really say meat fall, no, but you just give them away. People just give them away. You don't get out everything out of them already. You maybe just fatten them and give them away. Because you want to refill the cup again with new set. Because the time they get old now, they start with the egg small. Alright, let me see. Anytime they get old, the egg they'll start look like this. Look on the size of these egg with them all they big.
Yeah.
Because they fall mature.
Yeah.
Right.
I want to send a shout out to Paul Dennis. Send a shout out to Susan. Especially to my brother Nadine at St. Thomas. Hey, Nadine is a woman when she come to Jamaica. This is the one person I want you to meet, you know. That one there, Baba? You think you love nobody? Wait till you meet Nadine. Nadine will literally do a bush with you. Him can't wait.
Can't wait.
Lord, man. So big up Nadine. Listen me. My article sister, she born May 9th, me born May 7th.
Okay. I'm here, you man?
Yes, I.
Okay.
You know, when you meet Nadine, and then big up Michelle in the UK. And
Michelle
Ian,
in the UK.
Michelle are your people.
Yes, Michelle
Yeah,
in the UK.
and the deacon.
I girl that man.
Michelle in the UK.
In the UK.
You have Nadine are your people. Jatori too. Big up Jatori. You meet Chubby already.
Yes.
You meet O'Brien. You meet Kaya.
Yes.
You see me. Give thanks.
This is the coffee. Real Jamaican parched coffee. And the Malta coffee, this you know?
Yeah.
Right.
Big up Nicola. Big up Patrice. Big up Angela from UK. These are all people who support the movement. And one named Jankro. One of the man named Jankro. And then one of them named Chin. And then one named Mr. Cooper. So all of these people are people that I remember off the top that support the movement. Mr. Colin, Mr. Edwards, everyone who support Nadine. Jamaica Good Life is about, you know what it's about. I've been saying it over.
Yes.
But it's working.
It's working. It's
So-
getting there.
It's getting there. And now we have a better business idea now
Right.
in order for get some chicken. Every fan member, link me 646-330-9150. Your job, if you love Baba, get a chicken for Baba.
Just get a
So call me, make a deal with it, and
Yes.
create the Baba Egg Enterprise.
Egg enterprise.
Simple thing.
simple thing.
Man can't enough feel a cut yam for the rest of your life.
Want something easier now.
You have to start do something easier. So we have the bread. Guys, for those who support, Baba got his projector. See that?
Right.
Those who supported me, Baba now can watch Jamaica Good Life.
Straight in our bedroom.
Right, yes, sir.
Right.
Another thing. Right in the living room, I'm going to set up over here, so Baba.
Right. Yeah,
White sheet.
Yes.
So you can see yourself and understand how big you is. Cause you don't see nothing yet.
Okay, sir.
So we're going to eat right now. See that? Baba, too nice. You give me a rate. Me not go complain. Give thanks to the Almighty for love, life, and food.
Yes.
And you have the coffee. Give thanks, sir. Just send her as a messenger to teach the youth roots and culture. This is where it all started. Right over the corner there was a pot on the fire, and I took a picture right over the corner in there. I took a picture of this pot. What is the progress? Then the pig them grew up nice. You know, people are making progress around here. But we're going this series, and everybody who watch it, to all the fans, all the subscribers, we did it. You know, this is season 2, but from now on we're saying season forever.
Season forever.
Season forever. You know, and come Baba, come over here. Come on, you feel? Say something to the people and how you feel about what we've been doing.
Well, this thing that we have been doing for the past 20 odd years now, it's not just a hurry come up thing. I was telling somebody, say, it's not just hurry come up. Because some people want to just jump on the bandwagon now and believe, say, it's just something you just get up and say, I said to go and we want to go in a hit. We've been doing this thing over the past 20 odd years now. To where we reach now is 95%. Going into the better part of the business. Now, we are in the season 2 and this is about Jamaica Good Life. And what is that done for me? It has given me a lot of exposure. A lot of exposure. People from all over the world I call and congratulate me. We are promote Jamaica Good Life. One of the people them from Jamaica for know say, I know there's crime and violence in Jamaica. There's a part in Jamaica that is good. Because we live in a crime-free area. No crime. So if a man that find and they want just go sleep with you and stuff, you can't come in my area, man. My area is crime-free. Living in crime-free area. And the atmosphere is good, the climate is good. No pollution. When you wake up, you're in the fresh green hills. Wow. That's it. So our environment is healthy. Yeah, man. So
you have donated your time and knowledge. They don't understand that you are a founding father of the movement.
Of the movement.
It was your part.
Start the movement.
Start the movement.
Start the movement.
So
right up on the hill up there, so we start the movement.
Yeah. So they don't understand the bigger picture. It's gonna take another season for them to understand that.
Right.
You know, and I want to thank you personally because a lot of people see this thing, and when I started the movement, you know, give thanks. No, it's impacting everybody. They must support the thing, keep supporting, you know?
Keep moving.
Yeah, because me and Baba unite for a while. So no look on nothing else. Look on the big picture. How much people we getting to come back home.
Of Jamaica Good Life.
Give thanks. Love.
Thanks.